Justin Baldoni's attorney has officially released a statement on the Van Zandt lawsuit. I'm a California attorney and I read what happened, so you don't have to. If you don't know what's happening, I made another video breaking down the Van Zandt lawsuit, so let's get into it in this one. Brian Friedman responded, Miss Lively and Mr. Reynolds' company, Van Zandt, has nothing to do with this case, and they knew it. This sham lawsuit was designed to obtain subpoena power without oversight or scrutiny, and in doing so denied my client the ability to contest propriety, nature, and scope of the subpoena. He went on, there's nothing normal about this. Officers of the court have a duty of candor to the court and an obligation not to file fictitious lawsuits that have no basis in fact or law. A party with no connection to these proceedings, asserting a breach of contract against another party they claim not to be able to identify, does not qualify. This was done in bad faith and constitutes a flagrant abuse of the process. Blake Lively's attorneys have responded, stating, there is nothing untoward here, just conscientious and thorough investigation. The Lively parties acted upon reliable information and employed common tools such as Doe lawsuits and civil subpoenas that are entirely lawful and appropriate for pursuing claims and uncovering the identity of unknown perpetrators of unlawful activities. They continued, the lawsuit unearthed the Wayfarer party's documented plan, in their own words, in their own text messages, to destroy Blake Lively, a plan which they executed without transparency, disclosure, or notice to Miss Lively or the public, instead acting in a way that they thought would be untraceable. We have absolutely nothing to hide. Miss Lively voluntarily disclosed the subpoena in her first filing, knowing that it would be ultimately produced to the Wayfarer parties in discovery. And that is precisely what will happen as Miss Lively's claims move forward in the proper litigation process. We know your thoughts on this subpoena down below.